and how we doing tonight? It's a spiritual pleasure to be up here. This first song about a haunted backwoods town in East Tennessee called Sneedville. It's called the Sneedville Blues. Up in that place, everybody's packing and them trees is laced with that mystical powdered PCP. Oh, Holston River flow, the Sneedville blues can't touch my soul. No. Ooh. Holy mountain wind, yeah, you're my best friend. You set me free and easy. Truck in the middle of the night in the deep dark hall, I need the pale moonlight, laying back listening to a country song. Had a gasoline fire, old boy fell in, covered in plastic, got that holy second skin. Sneedville, you know you're off the chain. Oh, Holston River flow, Sneedville blues can't take my soul away.